to order 5-piece step drill bits. And they are, I call them augers. And they come in a nice case. It opens up. You get from a narrow all the way up to a nice wide one. And black on black lettering. Everything that you need to know. They have machine oil on them, so please be careful. And what we're going to do is show you how each of the bits works on a piece of wood that I need to make a hole. It goes into your own optional drill, and that is what the bit looks like. 3/16 all the way up to 1 3/8. Look how big that bit is. That is a nice size bit if asked. I apologize if it doesn't focus on it, but that is the size of the bit. I need to make the biggest hole possible. Now I'm going to show you with the small bit how it drills down in a matter of seconds. I'm going to go now to the largest bit and not drill there, but drill next to it. Now let's show you what it does. So as we put a fresh new battery in, we'll drill a new hole. Finish off. And we're through. We'll proceed to the second size and place into the drill bit and drill a hole. Real fast and easy to use. They are sharp bits. And we got one more bit to go. It's a little bit bigger. We could pick a bigger hole and go like that to make the next size hole and go up in steps. And then we have the last one to place in. And we can increase the size if we need so. And that is your stepless drill bits. If you're looking for drill bits to step up in different sizes from 3/16 all the way up to 1 3/8, these may be the bits for you. They come in a nice case and all. They fit your drills, and they are easy to use for wood, metal, for your shop, and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.